Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change language on Canva. First thing you do is log into your Canva account. Then the next thing, click on the three lines at the top left corner, click on your profile picture, and the next thing you do is click on settings, or in this case tap on settings, and then tap on your account, and you can see language here. Then change it to the language you want, to your preferred language. No, I've mistakenly changed it. I did not understand this language. I don't even know what that language is. It's a good thing I haven't gone far. So let me just change it back to English. It's one of this. Not this, it's with this then. So English. Here we go. Once you tap on it, to instantly change the language. It's as simple as that. Now, if you're using this is for the Android. Now, there are some times that you can't do it that way. Let me tell you the second way to do it. What you do is that you click on, after logging into your Canva account, you click on the profile picture or initials in the top right corner of your Canva dashboard. The Canva dashboard, I think this should be for the web. Your Canva dashboard, and then you select account settings from the drop down menu. Navigate to the language settings. In the left hand side menu, look for language option, click on it to open language preference section, and then you see a drop down menu to list of supported languages. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your preferred language. Click on the desired language to select it. Yeah, this is on the web. This one you're using the Canva on the web or on your PC. So I want to show that Canva will automatically update the interface for your chosen language. You just need to click save, just like what happened on the phone. You need to click save. So you can now return to your main Canva dashboard. Make sure that the interface elements, menu options and tools are now displayed in your chosen language. Now note that the language change applies to the entire Canva interface, including the web version and mobile apps. Whatever I change on this mobile app is going to affect the one on my the web version and the app on my laptop or PC. So it's the same language all through. So if you change it on your PC, it also affects the one on your phone. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.